Yes. I don't want the line with the umbrella is.
Okay, it was the same line.
How can I say this?
Yeah,
Two lines. Huh?
Two parallel.
like the car head.
Parallel.
Two parallel. Yes.
Two parallel. So difficult English. Then. See, everything, everywhere. See window 1, see window 2. Interesting, eh? I like it. Then what kind of color I remember before is give you Persiana. Yes, I'm Persiana. I'm pretty woman. Pretty woman. And light them more. Mix some. Don't bring the number 2. It's okay. Good. One brush. Too dry. Seems too dry, huh? If too dry, use the teeth to keep more water. Or too dark, no problem. See? Interesting, no problem. Ah, yes. Sunshine, something. Yes. The wolf, some stranger thing. What is this? Very ugly. Chimney much better. So I give him chimney. I hope when you feel too cold, you can burn some wood in the chimney. Don't paint anything too clear. Shadow in the rough. Shadow. Please. One time, another time. See, I changed my shadow card. Change. Shadow inside maybe more